Alright, so here's what the new one looks like. They have this metal sleeve here. Actually, they don't have the rubber sleeve on top of it, just like the original ones. See, and you can see here at the line here, it's all the way up with rubber, covered in rubber. And over here, that rubber piece is like cut off. I don't know how much of a factor is that gonna be. Let's give it a try. Cross their fingers for me. All right, so here we go. It's smooth, guys. I mean, you cannot tell from the camera, but it's, oh my god, it actually did fix it. Look at the engine, it's not shaking at all. And we got some more oil residue over there. I'll let that burn off. And let's check the muffler. Compared to this. I'm glad it was only a simple ignition coil. Alright, she's all buttoned up. Now, as far as the tick noise go, the tick noise is the usual BMW noise, so I'm not too much worried about it. It's just how BMWs just tick. Now let's take it for a test drive. Okay, here we go. Yep, very smooth. Yeah, I don't feel no vibration whatsoever that comes from the engine bay, indicating for a misfire. I know it's kind of dark in here, but I really tried to finish off this project in nighttime even, just to get it done. As far as that engine check light, I'll give it some time. It probably clear on its own, by itself, which is the best way to do it actually. Or you can also use a OBD2 scanner and just clear it off. But I like to give it some time and just see if it goes off by itself automatically. Alright, here I am on a little highway stretch just to feel the car, just get the more in-depth feeling of the engine running. And it's feeling good, it's feeling pretty good. I mean, it feels like back to normal basically, because we didn't really do anything special to it. Yeah, it's back to normal.